Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Roblox password. Before we started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a web browser, or if you're on your phone, you want to open up the Roblox app. The buttons are the same. They could just be slightly different places, so it depends what platform you do use. But what you want to do if you're using a PC or laptop is come across to roblox.com and then just go ahead and log into your account. And then what's going to happen, it's going to take you to your home screen and your dashboard. So what you're going to want to do from here is click onto your settings icon. So this is actually this gear icon in top right hand corner if you are using an app on mobile device. If you look at the bottom right hand corner, there should be 3 dots. So if you give that a click, and you should have the option to go into settings from there. And then once you get into settings, this way you can come to change your password. All you want to do is make sure you click into your account info. So if you go to the left hand side, you will see the account info tab. And then in this first section here, you can see we've got information about our account. And you can see passwords. There's a section here which says password. What you want to do is just go to the right and click onto this pencil and paper icon which says change password. And now what you want to do is just enter your current password, and then you just want to enter the new password that you want to change it to and re-enter that again underneath like so. And then go ahead if you have entered that correctly and click update. This button will highlight update and you'll see you'll get a success message saying you successfully changed your password. So that's how you do it. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.